Shivansh. Today I am going to recite the poem. The title of my poem is The Magic Words. Let's start. If you want something, what do you say? What do you say? I say please. I say please. That's what I say. That's what I say. So if you get something, what do you say? What do you say? I say thank you. I say thank you. That's what I say. That's what I say. If you hurt someone, what do you say? What do you say? I say sorry. I say sorry. That's what I say. That's what I say. If you are sneezing, what do you say? What do you say? I say excuse me. I say excuse me. That's what I say. That's what I say. If someone say thank you, what do you